We are going to start a new chapter today. The name of this chapter, as written over here, is linear programming. This chapter is very important from the point of view of further study especially. There is a category in mathematics called as operations research, wherein you study optimization techniques where you follow linear programming approach. Now what is it like and why are we going to study linear programming? As you know, in some organizations especially, wherein you think that the main aim of the organization is what? Always in any organization, the main aim would be the maximization of profit by minimizing losses and the usage of minimum resources. So in that matter, what to do? Specifically, there should be some technique to compute what should be done to maximize the profit. So for that reasons, we follow optimization techniques. Actually, optimization techniques are what? When you talk about the maximization of profits, the minimization of resources, this all comes under optimization. And this optimization is very important topic under operations research. So, linear programming, why is the name like that? Linear refers to the fact that there would be a linear relationship between the variables involved, and programming refers to the modeling and planning such that you follow your aim, which is maximization of profit, minimizing the losses, minimum usage of resources. So what would be it done like? It would use the knowledge of your class 11th, linear inequalities. Remember, we had a topic called as linear inequalities. There was a whole chapter based on it. There were some equations, in equations you used to draw graphs, find the solution. So that solution set and all that knowledge would be used in this chapter as well, because in the graphical method we are going to use the linear inequalities approach of class 11th. So it is actually based on class 11th topic, and it is going to help you not only in your class 12 but in the further studies as well. And linear programming is not a very new model. There is a wide usage from long ago, and there still is a lot of advancement that is happening in this field all over again. So let's start with this chapter with a fresh mind, and we will be studying some more concepts, some more techniques to understand this in more detail.